Thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, MrHammGutsnGlory. I'm MrHammGutsnGlory, video on fireworks at Lake Tawakoni. Fireworks are going off all along the shoreline here at the lake. It's awesome. Just look left, right, along the shoreline and see fireworks going off. Be sure to stay tuned in because the main attraction is coming.
Yeah, they are.
They really are. That right there. Well, you know what? They're doing it there now.
Yeah, they are.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can find me on Google, searching MrHammGutsnGlory. Search Mr. Hamm Geometry for my instructional videos in geometry. Thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, MrHammGutsnGlory. If you like my video, hit the like button. Use the comment section below and let me know if I'm on the right track or not. Thanks for watching.